Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmate. Our topic is all about Tasaday and Teroray. Tasaday is a small group of people living in the highland rainforest of Mindanao in the Philippines. Before their existence was first reported by anthropological investigators in 1971. The Tasaday, numbering about 25 individuals, apparently had been living a virtually isolated, primitive, incorrectly labeled Stone Age existence until they were discovered by nervous settled tribes in 1966. Tasaday ay may isang maliit na grupo ang mga tao. Naninirahan sila sa mataas na kagubatan ng Mindanao sa Pilipinas. Kilala rin sila bilang Tasaday bago iniulat ang kanilang pag-iral o nanaliksik sa anthropological noong 1971. Namumuhay ang mga Tasaday ng halos nag-iisang primitibong tinatawag na Stone Age ng pamumuhay hanggang sila ay natuklasan ng mga tribong nakatira malapit sa kanila noong 1966. Other foods included tadpoles, frogs, and small fish, crabs, grubs, palm fruit, and wild bananas. Tasaday were raised in 1986 when they were revisited and found to be wearing Western clothing using tools such as knives, mirror, and other modern goods. Noong 1986, natagpuan na ang mga Tasaday ay nakasuot ng kanluraning kasuotan at gumagamit ng mga kasangkapang tulad ng mga kutsilyo, salamin at other modern goods. Ang kanilang dating primitibong pamumuhay ay nagbago at naging mas moderno matapos silang bisitahin muli. It was asserted that their ethnic and cultural identity were really a hoax perpetrated by officials of the regime of former Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos in order to garner publicity and eventually to somehow profit from the management of Tasaday Forest land. Ang kanilang etniko at kultural na isang paglilinlang na isinagawa ng mga opisyal of the regime of former Philippine na si President Ferdinand Marcos upang makakuha ng publicity at sa huli upang kumita sa pamamahala ng mga kagubatan ng Tasaday. Tasaday were actually members of the nearby, more culturally advanced Manoboblit or Tiboli tribes who had acted the part of more primitive peoples at the prompting of Marcos' assistant on national minorities. Ang mga Tasaday ay mayroong silang tunay na mga miyembro, Manoboblit o Tiboli, na nagkunwaring mga mas primitive peoples sa utos ng assistant ni Marcos sa national minorities. In 1988, on the advice of a Congressional Investigative Committee President, Corazon Aquino pronounced the Tasaday an authentic minority group, but many scholars remain skeptical and hope of any conclusive evidence on either side of the controversy was beginning to fade. Noong 1988, the advice of Congressional Investigative Committee, inihayag ni President Corazon Aquino na ang mga Tasaday ay isang tunay na minority group, but maraming mga scholar remain skeptical at ang pag-asa ng anumang conclusive evidence sa kahit aling panig ng controversy ay unti-unting nawawala. Next, Tiroray or Tiduray. The Tiduray are a Filipino ethnic group that uses and speaks the Tiroray language. Their name may have come from the words Tiyo, meaning people, and Duray, referring to a small bamboo hook and a line used for fishing. Ang Tiduray are a Filipino ethnic group sa Pilipinas na gumagamit at nagsasalita ng wika ng Tiruray. Ang kanilang pangalan ay maaaring nagmula sa mga salitang Tiyo meaning people and Duray, referring to a small bamboo hook at isang line na ginagamit sa pangingisda. And last, the Tiduray together with the indigenous Lambingian people originate from the Agusan, Davao, and Lanao regions, the province of Bukidnon, and in the cities of Davao and Zamboanga. They are third generation Christian who have lived in close proximity with Islamized, indigenous, and non-indigenous settles. Ang mga Tidoray, kasama ang katutubong Lambangian, ay nagmula sa mga rehiyon ng Agusan, Davao at Lanao, the province of Bukidnon and cities of Davao and Zamboanga. Sila ay mga Kristiyanong pangatlong henerasyon na mamumuhay malapit sa Islamized, indigenous people at non-indigenous settles. Yun lang po. Thank you so much.